if you want to learn how to make your very own 3% food grade hydrogen peroxide, keep watching. Hi guys, welcome back to Essence of Earth. I am your hostess with the mostest, Miss Nikita, and y'all know over here we're gonna talk about everything that's gonna help y'all improve the quality of your life. So get your life. So if you like stuff like that, first we gotta be friends. Go ahead and subscribe and click the notification bell so you'll be notified every time I post, and lucky for you, that's every week. So today I'm going to teach y'all how to make 3% food grade hydrogen peroxide, and it is so easy. What you'll need, you need like a stirring stick. It cannot be metal. Okay, so I have a wooden chopstick, so that's what I'm going to use. You want to use something that's wooden or glass. Anything else is going to interfere with the hydrogen peroxide, and that's not what you want to do. Okay, so you're going to need 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide. I actually sell this. Okay, and if you know anything about the 1 minute cure, then you know why I decided to start selling the 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide. I want to specify food grade, food grade, food grade, food grade. You need food grade hydrogen peroxide. Okay, if it ain't food grade, then don't get it. Okay, and then you're just gonna need some cups and to mix the water and whatever types of containers that you want to put it in. And then you need distilled water. You need distilled water because if you get like spring water or anything else that maybe has stuff added to it, those minerals and stuff can interfere with the hydrogen peroxide, and you know, chemistry is happening, and that's not what we want. Okay, so you want to get distilled water, everything's out of it, so nothing is going to interact with the hydrogen peroxide, food grade hydrogen peroxide. Okay, this is very strong. You have to be careful when you're handling the 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide because it can give you like a little burn and you'll get like this ash on your hand. You want to make sure that you have your handy dandy gloves like so. You want to have some protective eyewear. I don't have it. I was gonna put on my sunglasses, but I was like, I'm not gonna be able to see, so I don't want to do it, but I don't have my my eyewear. And then you want to have on either an apron, long sleeves, because you don't want anything to like splash on you or anything like that. So friend, again, gloves, wooden stirring utensil, wooden or glass, no metal, and then some containers to put the hydrogen peroxide, food grade hydrogen peroxide, and the distilled water in. And then you'll need your utensils that you're going to put the 3% food grade hydrogen peroxide in. And I might use this, I don't know, this is an empty one, I don't know, child, but we're gonna see here. So I'm gonna make 16 ounces. So when you're making 16 ounces of the food grade hydrogen peroxide, the 3%, you're going to need approximately 1.37 ounces of 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide. So I have my little scale here, and I want to do them separate. So I'm going to go ahead and do this. Now this will give you a little bit more than 3%, but it's okay. All right. So let's go ahead and get this. And as you can see, it's not going to be a lot. We're already at 1. I'm just going to stop at 1.3. Maybe I'll add just a little bit more. Okay. Make sure you got gloves on, okay? Because that stuff will burn. So this is what, you see that? It's not even a lot. That is what 1.37 ounces of hydrogen peroxide looks like. And then you're just going to get 16 ounces of distilled water. And you know, I have a little cup here, but it's measuring cup, so I'm just going to put 16 ounces in there. Shakalaka, 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 laka, boom, shakalaka, 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 laka, laka, shaka, 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 laka, laka, shaka, shakalaka, shaka, 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 laka. 16 ounces is what I need. So I got my 16 ounces. Boom shakalaka. Now, what you're gonna have to do is you want to pour the hydrogen peroxide into the water and not the water into the hydrogen peroxide. You just want to eliminate the possibility of any type of splashing or anything. So I'm going to do this real nice and slow. So I'm going to just add a little bit, and y'all don't look at my raggedy measuring cup, okay? So we got that in there. I'm going to stir it a little bit, and you want it to be kind of evenly dispersed. So that's another reason why you want to throw it in there to pour the. Just gonna do it bit by bit. Now, some of the reasons why people use 3%: clean your toothbrushes, clean your food, your produce. You can use it as a mouthwash. It's good for any fungus. My mom and I did the 1 minute cure protocol. It cleared up her fungus. I'm always throwing my mama out there. I'm sorry, mama. I'm always putting my mama business out there. I love her to pieces. That's my mama. But anyways, I'm always talking about my mama. She gonna get me. but it did. It cleared it up. And when I did it, my teeth got so white. Oh my gosh, you guys are gonna love it. But anyways, if you know anything or have read the 1 minute cure, it gives you this protocol for consuming food grade hydrogen peroxide, which is supposedly reverse obstructions in the body. Okay. And I did it after cancer diagnosis. So yeah, so we got a little bit more here, but cleaning your produce, brushing your teeth. Well, I won't say brushing your teeth, but using it as a mouthwash, because it's also good on mold. Now, just using the 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide alone, let me tell you, I had went to go see my boyfriend, and he liked fruits and nuts and stuff at night. So I got him some fruits, and I soaked the fruits in 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide, because I always give him, every time I see him, I just give him a care package or whatever. So I had 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide for him. So I just soaked his fruit and stuff in that. And I also soaked mine because I got some for me while I was staying there. So turns out I went home, I put the fruit into in my refrigerator, and somehow they got lost in my refrigerator, and I pulled them out, and I was like, this is the fruit from when I was with my boyfriend. So I pulled it open, and I noticed that there was no mold on it, and these were blueberries, guys. We know how mold love fruit, blueberries. There was no mold. So I tested it out again on some grapes, and no mold. So I do believe that this is really good. 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide is really good for mold and cleaning your produce. So but this is it, guys. Now you have 16 ounces of 3% food grade hydrogen peroxide. And that's it. That's it. And all I'm going to do is put it into these containers because I'm going to use, obviously, the spray one for like cuts and stuff. My son and my nephew are here, and they get like scrapes and bruises. So it's really good for cleaning wounds and stuff like that. So that's why I'm going to put it in the spray bottle. And then I have this one for bigger things. And I might put the rest just in an empty container like this, to just pull it out to refill these later. And that's it. We made 3% food grade hydrogen peroxide. Remember, if you want to get the 35% food grade hydrogen peroxide, I do sell this, and you can get it on my website again at www.eoeproducts.com. If you've been blessed by the tutorial today here at Essence of Earth, please subscribe, share this with your friends, your auntie, your mother, your sister, your cousin, your auntie, and everybody else. And I hope you enjoyed it, and good night until next time.